Water's high today. There's my backyard. Half of it's flooded. 1 full acre. We've got rain coming, so it's going to get a little higher. I'm not sure. Wind. It's got it coming in here. Floating dock is higher than the regular dock. Beautiful day out though. Very windy. Very windy. Trying to get out and enjoy it as much as possible. I have to wear a hat because I've developed a terrible rash on my face. I used to have perfect skin. Now all of a sudden, after 50, lovely, lovely face. It's all full of a rash. Not fun. Not fun at all. Hurts. Itches, burns. Not fun. Okay, back to the lovely scenery and not my ugly mug. I love the sound of the wind chimes. Got friendly neighborhood birds. No herons out this time of day. Usually early in the morning, the herons are out here. And egrets, tons of hawks. We get osprey. I don't live too far from the local high school, one of the high schools. And they have nests up in the football field in the lighting fixtures to the football field, so it's kind of crazy. Giant osprey nests by the lights. I don't see the ducks either. Not too many ducks. Canadian geese. I think there's a turtle out there poking his little head up. See if I can zoom in and see if he pokes his little head out again. Lots of turtles, lots of fish in the creek, especially when it's full like this. There he is. Can you guys see him? There he is. There he is. Hello, Mr. Turtle. And he's back down. I don't know that he's going to pop his little head back up again. There he is. I have carpenter bees messing around my house. It makes it really hard to get back in. If anyone knows, there he is. If anybody knows how to get rid of the stinking carpenter bees. Wasp spray doesn't work. I don't hurt other bees. His little head. He's soaking up some sun. And I love jet noise. Welcome to Virginia. little head out of the water. Sorry, I keep zooming in and out, guys. That is not a turtle. That is a tree trunk in the water. Luckily, we have no nutria, knock on wood, this year. Can't wait till all the brown starts turning green and pretty flowers. So this is how I'm spending part of my afternoon. I'm going to meet my daughter and her son-in-law, her son. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I can't think clearly. I'm going to meet my daughter and her husband, who is my son-in-law, and my best friend, who is his mom, for dinner tonight. It's a very rare occasion, and I'm excited. And I'm not sure what to expect, but I am sure it'll be fun. Alright, gotta go put something on my face, cool it down. Have a great weekend, everybody.